All right, let's do this.
Technology is an amazing thing.
I know, it's pretty cool. How's it going, Tyler?
I'm doing excellent. Yourself?
Awesome.
Good
Doing
to
really
hear.
good. Doing good.
Snap
What are you
on
doing?
Wednesday, bitches. I'm just holding it there for you.
Yeah.
It's clearly not where it goes. It's in the ratchet holder. Hey, look at this.
Oh, you got the cooler on here. Or sorry, that's the seat. Fuck, that thing is so cool. I haven't seen one yet.
10 impact guns in there.
Yeah.
2 different 1/2 inch and 1 3/8. So you get a discount on the impact gun to start with, and then one of the 10 people will win that cart.
Nice. That thing's super cool, eh?
Yeah.
Little roll cart.
Fucking awesome.
Stool.
What are you getting today, Joel?
I don't think. Oh fuck! I didn't warranty my. I didn't get my thing from last week that I needed. I completely forgot about it. My what do you call it? Rethreader.
Oh, yes.
I completely forgot about it. Told him about it that I needed it, and then
It took some abuse.
yeah. Yep. What are you doing?
Looking at that barbecue.
Oh. Did you give the barbecue away yet?
Nope,
No.
not yet.
I'm getting my screwdriver fixed today.
No. You're gonna
Snapped.
You're gonna get that ratchet.
I like it. I like the soft handle, though.
Yeah, the comfort grip.
Yeah. I think my 1/4 inch is only about that long.
Yeah.
It feels weird when you have that much, like, twisting torque on such a small fastener, you know? It just feels unnatural to me, you know?
Oh, it's.
I gotta, like,
it's
watch
such a nice.
out,
It's
'cause
such a
I'm
nice ratchet, though.
Not used to having that extra torque.
Well, leverage is your friend always, but the intent is you get better reach.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yep. Yeah.
That was quick, Tyler. Barely even saw you do it.
Here, let me come over on this side because
Fuck yeah. Wow.
sound. Oh no, it's all good.
That's something else.
So you can use that
That thing's huge
As a-
too.
speeder,
Oh shit. It
or
can be
obviously
shorter or longer or
lock
anything
into
you
any
want.
angle that you want.
I love it.
It's a nice ratchet.
That design was out actually a long time ago. It went away and just recently came back.
What's the part number on that?
F80MP.
MP.
F80 multi-position.
Cool. You show people that one again. I like that light. That's nice.
So the first version we came out with, which is up on the wall there,
I own
it's
that
only
one.
about that long. Flashlight out the end. Turn that off. Open it up. Press the button once. You got a light beam on one side. Press it again. The light beam's on the other side. Press it again. You got a light beam on both sides.
That's cool.
So if you were to want to light up a whole area,
Yeah. I like it.
both sides.
That's a nice light.
Part number.
Cool. That's super nice.
That. Little utility kits. Yeah.
I was already playing with it.
1/4 inch hex for the screwdriver bits. 1/4 inch square for the sockets.
Blue point.
Blue point.
Comes a little 1/4 inch extension. That's all right.
Yeah, a
That's
little
nice.
multi-bit kit to throw in your glove box or
Yeah.
the whatever. The part number.
I own a
is-
Dodge, so it'll probably break down at some point.
That's the part number.
What's that?
Said I own a Dodge, so it'll probably break down at some point.
Whoa.
Actually, you know what? No,
I haven't even made a single
I
Dodge
can't-
joke yet since you
yeah, I can't believe even my truck, 3 years hadn't even been hadn't even had anything warranty done on it.
Can't read that. But the part number for the fan is on the top of that box
Oh, okay.
for our 18-volt cordless power tool users. Multi-position fan on. Oh. 3 speeds.
Jesus,
Feel it for yourself. You can probably hear it.
that thing does push
There's
the.
lots of air. You got no air to blow around. So.
Oh, through my scalp feels so nice.
You got USB ports on the side and everything. That's cool.
Oh, perfect.
And everybody saw this online already.
Yeah.
So you take a blowgun, hook up the air line to this end, water supply in here,
Yep.
and it turns into a little mini pressure washer.
Yeah. Making yourself your own pressure washer.
Oh,
You
Also
can do that at
comes with
home.
a-
That's awesome, man.
With an adapter, so you can plug that onto heater core lines
Oh, for power flushing.
or cooling system lines.
Ooh.
Here.
That's cool. I didn't know it came with that stuff. What's the part number on that one? Yeah, people have seen it online already.
Jet wash.
Spent an hour
jet
pulling
wash?
out my-
That's what it- that's what it
pulling
is?
out my
Oh, yeah.
Jet
pressure
washer.
for no reason.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Lots of cool stuff.
New stuff.
Oh, sorry.
This came out a little while ago. I just got short supply and sold out of them. So I didn't have them to show, but the new snap ring pliers.
Oh, in a nice case
Oh.
too.
Previous style had basically a bolt through here
Yeah.
that you would unwind and to change direction. Now it's,
Oh, what? Oh, quick connect.
yeah, press the button.
Oh, that is slick.
Oops, wrong side.
Are they all like that?
Yep.
Fuck, those are nice.
That's a nice set.
Yeah, I have. Who is that? Is that you?
No,
Oh, that's Tyler.
not me, man. That's fucking nice.
A lot nicer than this old style where you unwind the bolt,
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I have.
set them back in.
Yeah, I like those. That's a good design.
Old, new. Doop.
So that comes in a whole kit. You can obviously order them all separately and everything too.
Of
right?
course, yes. That's the part number for the kit.
There we go.
Well, you'd never need another fucking
All the
snap ring
previous-
plier again.
Snap ring pliers were just SRPC, and then the size, like this is 90 thou 90 degree,
Yeah.
so SRPC 9090A. Now they add an R in it.
Okay.
For the quick release SRPC R.
That's awesome. I like that. In that nice extreme green.
Also available in red and orange. New stuff.
Have you? Are we getting the new half-inch drive brushless impact in Canada yet? I see people are already getting that.
Not yet.
No. That'll be interesting.
Kind of like when they rolled out the long 3/8 cordless ratchet.
Yeah.
That's what's happening with that as well.
Right. So they release it in certain areas first, and
Yeah.
yeah. Cool. I look forward to seeing that and getting that in my hands.
Tried to order it, couldn't.
Really?
I'm on the waiting list now.
Yeah.
I'm not special anymore. If I ever was.
Well, you're special to me and us, all of us. Right?
Yeah, and the cart for the impact guns, that's kind of a cool thing.
Yeah. That thing is super cool. You motor around in the shop like that, eh?
I like it.
On the front of the flyer.
Snap on Wednesday, bitches. It was just fucking glide around the shop floor with that thing. Get you to push me around.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Soapbox derbies. in
Yeah,
the shop.
exactly. Put a motor in it. Ooh.
Snap-on derbies. Yeah, put it from that scary little mini bike I rode on the weekend. Put it in that thing. Kill somebody.
Kind of funky.
Yeah, I think it's cool.
Something new and different.
Yeah.
Always got to try to stay ahead of the curve.
Right on. Well, Jordan got his your screwdriver tip or what?
Yeah,
Yep.
I didn't even see him fix it that fast.
Yeah.
Don't even know how I got a nick out of it.
Speed.
Went
What?
to, I don't even know how I nicked the other one. I went to use it and went, oh shit.
Trying something.
Trying to pry your wallet open.
No, ever since ever since Tyler made that, if it looks like a screwdriver, feels like a screwdriver, it's not a pry bar
Yeah.
joke. I fucking memorized that since then. Fuck.
All right. Well, time to get back into the shop.
Busy, busy, busy.
Yep. Yep. All right. We'll see everybody soon.
That's it, folks.
Guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. Hope you enjoyed your Snap on Wednesday. A lot of new tools on the truck. Currently waiting for the half-inch impact, brushless impact that we've seen on like Snap-on collectors and stuff. People have them, but yeah. So anyway, I gotta run. I got a bunch of stuff I gotta get done. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.